Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I will discuss plastids. So look at your book. Plastids basically found in plant cell only. So plastid सिर्फ plant cell में दिखाई देता है. These are present only in plant cells. These are special organelles that manufacture and store pigments. So different types of color जो होता है ये pigments basically manufactured by plastids. They are bound by a double membrane. Plastids are three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. So plastids are double membrane organelles and they are three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast. These are plastids that contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. They impart green color to leaves and other plant parts where they are present. So basically chloroplasts are found in the greenery part of leaves because chloroplast possess chlorophyll which produce green pigment. Next, a chloroplast shows two regions, grana and stroma. Chloroplasts are also called kitchen of the cell as they trap solar energy to perform photosynthesis. So chloroplast is also known as kitchen of the cell because chloroplast में chlorophyll है which actually help to trap the solar energy and control the photosynthesis process. That's why chloroplast is also known as kitchen of the cell. Next, chromoplast. These are plastids with colored pigments other than green. They are mostly found in the fruits and petals of flowers. So basically ripened fruits and different types of color of the petals, they possess plastids because chromoplast possess different kinds of color. The red, orange or yellow color of the fruits and flower is due to the presence of chromoplast. So red, orange, yellow, this type of pigments, उसके लिए responsible कौन है? Chromoplast. Leucoplast. These are colorless plastids devoid of any pigment. Colorless plastids. As because plastids are responsible for different types of pigments, though the leucoplast is colorless plastids and devoid of any pigments. कोई भी pigment इसके अंदर present नहीं है. They store food prepared in the plant. Basically, they act as a storekeeper for जो प्रिपेयर्ड फूड होता है उसको स्टोर कर लेता है कौन? ल्यूकोप्लास्ट. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च, प्रोटीन्स एंड फैट्स. They are found in the roots of plants and underground stems such as the potato and ginger. So basically they are found in the roots of the stem, roots of the plants and the underground stem such as potato and ginger. Next, vacuoles. A vacuole is bound by a single membrane. Plastids are double membrane, whereas vacuole is a single membrane cell organelle. It is also known as tonoplast. The membrane encloses a fluid cell called cell sap. Normally, tonoplast के अंदर एक fluid रहता है जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Cell sap. So vacuole is a cellular empty cell organelle and embedded by single membrane. It's also known as tonoplast. And tonoplast के अंदर जो fluid है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Cell sap. It contains sugar, proteins, amino acids and minerals. In plants, the vacuoles are large. In case of plant cell, vacuole are large होता है, बड़ा होता है. Some plants cell have only one large vacuole, whereas animal cells either don't have a vacuole or they have a very small vacuole as in amoeba. Normally हम लोग एनिमल सेल में vacuole नहीं होता है, अगर होता भी है बहुत छोटा होता है as amoeba की तरह. Next, function of vacuoles. They help in the cell to remain turgid and keep it in shape. तो बेसिकली ये सेल को सोलर होने में मतलब प्रॉपर शेप में रहने में हेल्प करता है. दे स्टोर फूड मटेरियल एंड वाटर इन द सेल. सेल सैप होने के कारण सेल के अंदर नॉर्मली ये फूड मटेरियल्स एंड वाटर को स्टोर कर लेता है. नेक्स्ट, differences between a plant cells and animal cell. The basic structure of plant and animal cells is the same. However, there are some differences between them. The differences between a plant and animal cell are given in the table 3.2. Look at the difference first. Cell wall. Cell wall is present around the cell membrane. Next, animal cell. Cell wall is totally absent in animal cell. Plastids. Plastids are present in plant cell, whereas plastids are absent in animal cell. Centrosome. Centrosomes are absent in the plant cell, whereas centrosome is present in the plant cell. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are large in plant cell, and vacuoles are absent basically in animal cell. If present, they are very small. Next, lysosome. Lysosome are present in plant cell, whereas lysosome are present in animal cell. And they are also known as suicidal bag. Next, cell division. When a cell is formed, it is small. After digesting food, it grows in size. Normally, cell जब fast form होता है, उसका आकार बहुत छोटा रहता है. But after collecting nutrients, it grows in size. आकार में बड़ा होता है. However, its growth is limited. After reaching a certain critical size, a cell divides into two cells. This process by which new cells are formed is known as cell division. So cell division is a biological process, whereas a cell divided into another cell, this process is also known as cell division. The new cells formed through cell division are called daughter cell. So एक सेल डिवाइड होने के बाद जो दो नया सेल फॉर्म कर रहा है, उस दो नया सेल को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? डॉटर सेल. New cells are needed for the growth of an organism and to replace cells that are died. तो न्यू सेल्स किस लिए जरूरत है? हम लोग का प्रॉपर ग्रोथ के लिए, और जो पुराना सेल डेड हो जा रहा है उसको मतलब रिप्लेस करने के लिए. Some cells are in our body divide throughout our life. In human body, millions of blood cells die and replaced each second. The skin cells are also keeping dividing. So throughout our life, cell division होता है. Basically, blood cells बहुत ज़्यादा formation होता है और replace भी होता है. Skin cell also keeping dividing. However, the nerve cells of brain cannot be replaced once they die. इस underline करना, इस line को underline करना. Nerve cell of brain cannot be replaced once they die. अगर ब्रेन का नर्व सेल मर जाता है तो कभी रिप्लेस नहीं हो सकता है. Therefore, the human body can heal injuries to all its parts except to the nervous system. So, except nervous system, हम लोगों का शरीर में और जहाँ भी कुछ खरोच होगा, ऊंड होगा, इंजरी होगा, हम लोग उसको नॉर्मली हील कर सकते हैं, मतलब क्योर कर सकते हैं, except nervous system. Because nerve tissue basically or nerve cell is not replaced after die. So student, hope all of you understood what I discussed in this video. So just before it, I will discuss this true false. Look at the true false. A cell wall is found in animal cell. False. Mitochondria are carriers of heredity. False. Nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called nuclear membrane. True. Every species is characterized by a fixed number of chromosomes. True. Centrosome is called the control center of cell. False. Lysosome are also called powerhouse of cell. False. So student, for today, up to this portion.